Okay, today we'll be looking at the Purolator One PL22500 oil filter and the Pennzoil Platinum oil filter, number HPZ-173, that I opened in a past video. And I got the Purolator One oil filter at Advanced Auto Parts for $11.79. You may be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. And I got the Pennzoil Platinum oil filter from a viewer whose name is John Purolator from Yonkers, New York. Thanks, John. And these filters fit his 2018 Chevy Impala. Yep, the one with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Could these two filters be the same, but in different boxes? Well, these two are gonna duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
It's just a matter of, you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration, and you here.
Okay, let's start with the Purolator One, and we'll start with the box. Now rated up to 15,000 miles. It used to be 10,000 miles. And here they still got it 10,000 miles. And the micron rating is 99%. If you look on their website, it's at 20 microns. Okay, let's open her up. See what she looks like. Date code F03P06C2. This is a sticker. Made in USA. Made in Hummel. And this has the PTFE gasket, I believe. PTFE gasket. Actually, they both do. Nice and thick. It was on there pretty good, so I started getting it off beforehand. Yeah, it's a nice gasket on there. 7 elongated inlet holes. Oh, my light ain't working. There it goes. Got a metal core louvers. Bypass valve down below. And we got about 4 grooves there. Yeah, that all looks nice. Okay. And the Pennzoil filter. This one's already been opened, so what I'm going to do is break in. I'll periodically break in to the past video that I made of this oil filter. So I'll do that right now. Okay, let's start with the box because it has a lot of information on it. If we look over here, let's see, it says PTFE sealing gasket, silicone A drain back valve, synthetic blended 2-ply gradient density filter media, 99% efficiency. If we look right here closely, we'll see at 30 microns. Okay, let's open her up, see what she looks like. Box is a little rough shape, but date code F04N1602. Look here. Made in USA of domestic and imported components. This is a sticker. She has 7 elongated inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone drain back valve. Metal core louvers. Bypass valve down below. Let's see the threads. There's about 3 grooves there. And this is the PTF coated gasket, which is on here pretty good. I already started taking it off. But still don't want to come off too good. There it goes. Yeah, look at that. Nice and thick also. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so let's open up this Purolator One oil filter and see if it's the same as this Pennzoil oil filter. Be right back. Okay, here they are both cut open. Let's get their weights. 258.7 grams for the Purolator. 261.2 grams for the Pennzoil. Base plates. 111 grams for the Purolator. 113.5 grams for the 0.3 grams for the Pennzoil. Let's take a look at these up close. They both look like they got the same amount of grooves. They both got the same gaskets. Same inlet holes. Let's see if the markings are the same. I didn't even check these out, but The stamps on them. You get 22, yeah. Look at MM, S, yeah, same stamps. I think they're the same base plates. And drain back valves. You know, they got different numbers on them. This one goes on. And they fit on there nice. This one goes on the Purolator. Yeah, so look at that. They look the same. Okay, filter media. 81.2 grams for the Purolator. And this one's all apart, so get it like this. Yeah, look at that, 79.1 grams for the Pennzoil. Okay, and let's check out the weights on the rest of the. You got stamp leaf spring, 7.9 grams for the Purolator, 7.4 grams. Look, they're identical, but you know, point something of a gram. These are identical. And the cans, Purolator weighs 54.9 grams, 57.1 gram for Pennzoil. And let's get filter media here. Got a glued seam. This is the Purolator One. I counted 60 pleats. Nicely deep pleats here, nicely spaced. Metal end caps with a bypass valve right there. Not too bad on the glue, just a little bit. And according to Purolator One, this has a micron rating of 99% at 20 microns, and it's a synthetic blend filter media. Okay, so we'll go to, I'll break in right now and show you this filter when it was whole. We'll do that right now. You got metal end caps, bypass valve down here, glued seam, and I counted 60 pleats. They're nicely spaced except for just right here at the seam, which is usually the case. But just like on the box said, it has a micron rating of 99% at 30 microns. And it's a synthetic blend filter media. Filter media is 2.57 inches wide. Okay, and I'll measure the Purolator, see how wide it is. 2.77 inches wide. And the cans, 0.35 millimeters thick. Pretty thin can. See the Pennzoil. Last time I got like 0.45. There you go, 0.45. Pennzoil seems to be a little thicker. Yeah, it is just a little thicker. See the weights again for the heck of it. 5. Yeah, it's just a tiny bit thicker. You can kind of feel it too. All right, well, let's cut this. What do you guys think? You guys think these are going to be the same length? I think they are. I think they're the same filters. It's funny though, they got different micron ratings. So let's cut this Purolator One oil filter open, stretch it out, and see if it's the same as this Pennzoil. Be right back. Okay, here they are stretched out, and they're both 48.5 inches long. Okay, let's measure the thickness. PU stands for Purolator. 1.04 millimeters thick. And the PE for Pennzoil. Pick it up. 1.01 millimeter thick. To get these up close. Let's take a look at these under a microscope. Okay, so as you guys can see from the microscope shot, these two filters, the filter media looks the same. I'm guessing they're the same. They look the same. The only difference on these two filters is the height. The Purolator One is slightly taller. See if I put these even. See the difference? And these also, you know, there's a difference. But everything else is the same. I would say they both have the same filter media. I don't understand why Purolator says 99% at 20 microns and this one says 99% at 30 microns. You got me there, right? So what do you guys think about these two filters? Are they the same with different micron ratings? And I want to thank John for sending me this Pennzoil filter from a past video. And I want to thank a viewer who goes by Faxman09 who suggested that I compare these two oil filters. So I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. Pennzoil filter media weighs 18.3 grams. The Purolator filter media weighs 18.2 grams.